2025 is here, and it's time to step into your potential. Glowing up isn't about quick fixes or temporary changes. It's about building habits that create lasting transformation. This year is your chance to redefine yourself. It's not just about improving how you look, but also how you feel and how you present yourself to the world. From fitness to grooming to mindset, this is your complete guide to glowing up in 2025. Let's break it down step by step. These steps will not only help you look better, but also feel more confident and in control. Let's start with the foundation, your physical health. Step 1, build your base. Fitness for the win. The first step to glowing up is movement. Regular exercise isn't just about aesthetics, it's about feeling stronger, healthier, and more energized. Commit to 1 hour of intentional exercise every day. This could be strength training, running, yoga, or a combination of these. Not only will this help you build a toned physique, but it will also boost your mood and mental clarity. If you're starting from scratch, focus on consistency rather than intensity. Begin with 30 minutes of walking or a beginner workout routine and gradually increase the duration and difficulty. Fitness is the foundation of any glow up. When your body feels good, it shows in your posture, energy, and overall presence. Step 2, master your hygiene. Good hygiene is non-negotiable. It's the simplest way to feel confident and presentable. Here's what your daily routine should look like. Shower every day to stay fresh and clean. Brush and floss twice a day. Your smile is one of your best assets. Use deodorant and, if you want, a subtle cologne or perfume to leave a lasting impression. Skincare is another crucial element. You don't need a complicated routine, but you do need a consistent one. Focus on cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen daily. This protects your skin, gives you that natural, healthy glow. Step 3, sculpt your features. The practice of mewing. Mewing is a technique that can improve your facial structure and posture over time. It involves pressing your tongue against the roof of your mouth while keeping your lips closed and teeth lightly touching. Although subtle, this practice can enhance your jawline and promote better oral posture. Incorporate mewing into your daily routine and stay consistent. It's a small effort that can yield noticeable results in the long run. Also, try chewing harder foods or chewing gum to sharpen that jawline further. Step 4, upgrade your style and hair. Your hair and wardrobe play a significant role in your glow up. Let's start with your hair. Find a haircut that suits your face shape and complements your lifestyle. Whether you prefer a bold, trendy look or something more timeless and understated, consult with a stylist to find the right fit. Maintain your hair with quality shampoo, conditioner, and styling products. When it comes to your wardrobe, focus on fit and simplicity. You don't need an extensive collection of clothes. Invest in a few well-fitting pieces that you can mix and match. Neutral colors and classic styles are a great starting point. Over time, add personal touches that reflect your personality and confidence. Step 5, transform your mindset. The final and most critical step in glowing up is transforming your mindset. How you think about yourself influences every aspect of your life. Start by building a morning routine that sets a positive tone for your day. Wake up early, practice gratitude, and set clear goals. Dedicate time to personal growth, whether through reading, journaling, or meditation. Another key aspect of mindset is focus. Spend at least 2 to 3 hours daily on deep work, tasks that align with your long-term goals and require your full attention. Avoid distractions and use this time to make meaningful progress. Finally, cultivate discipline. Glowing up isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. Even on days when you don't feel motivated, show up for yourself. Let's recap your 2025 glow up plan. 1. Move your body for 1 hour every day. 2. Master your hygiene and skincare routine. 3. Practice mewing consistently. 4. Upgrade your hairstyle and wardrobe. 5. Focus on mindset with gratitude, deep work, and discipline. Glowing up isn't just about appearances. It's about how you show up for yourself every single day. The effort you put in today will shape the person you become tomorrow. This is your time to glow up. The only thing standing between you and the best version of yourself is action. Start with one step and build from there. If you're ready to commit to your glow up journey, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments which step you're starting with. Let's make 2025 the year you don't just improve, you transform.